Welcome to Main Course with Annie, the Kitchen Edition. Over the next 10 weeks, I'm going to share with you how to transform this kitchen using paint and other supplies from your local Ace. Follow along with me as I share the cost and some of my secret tips and advice on renovating this kitchen. My fridge is looking a little rough, but replacing a fridge can cost hundreds if not thousands of dollars. I love this fridge because it fits the space perfectly. So I have a unique way to update this fridge using contact paper and spray paint. The first thing I'm going to do is clean this fridge from all that grime, and then I'm going to dry it off. The next step I'm going to do is remove these handles because I'm going to spray paint them. I'm going to set these aside so I can spray paint them in the garage. My next step is going to measure and start cutting the contact paper. There are many styles and patterns of contact paper. I chose the traditional metal because I thought it looked more like stainless steel. It's always a good idea to buy an extra roll just in case you miscut or you underestimated how much you really need. Now let's go measure the fridge. It's always good to measure twice, cut once. Here's a tip for you. If you're having a hard time applying the contact paper, use a light spray of Windex and it'll help go on smoother. I'm back in my garage and the door is open. The first thing I'm going to do is take my sander and my sanding sponge, and I'm going to really rough up the surface of these handles so the paint can adhere. Then I'm going to take my primer. I'm going to spray these handles with primer. When I was removing these handles, I noticed a little bit of rust, so I'm going to use the black rust stop for these handles. When you're at your local Ace and you're spray painting your handles, just take a look and make sure to read the can to make sure it applies to the surface of your handles. For a few dollars and a little bit of time, I really updated that fridge. My kitchen remodel continues, so stick around. And remember, I'm doing it all on a budget using my neighborhood Ace.